Today I'm going to show you how to use business verification on TikTok. So there are a number of things that you can do with your TikTok account. So if you come over to your profile over here on the bottom right, go up to the top, you will see the 3 lines, tap on that. And here you will be able to see a bunch of things. You'll go to settings on the top right. And here we are going to go to account. An account, this is where you will be able to manage what type of account you have. Now we have business verification over here. So this will allow you to verify your business, to access marketing tools and also exclusive features that are allowing you to better connect with your viewers. So go ahead, tap on that. Once you go in over here, it'll just give you a bunch of information. You're going to just tap on agree to the privacy, terms of service, all of that. Click on get started, and here you're going to start entering in all of the information about your business. So the country that your business is in, phone number, website, and then your industry with audience restrictions. Here you're going to go and say next. You're going to go through the process of setting this up. You need to have a registered business. Once you're done with this, you'll be able to register or verify your account with your business details. And thereafter, what will happen is you'll get access to a group of new tools that is not available for absolutely everyone. So if you are running this TikTok account for a business and you want to get serious, it's a great option.